Boeing's Q1 2025 results present a mixed set of signals. Reported revenue came in at $19.5 billion, up 18% year over year, but it was just short of expectations. However, bottom line performances surprised with EPS at negative 49 cents, a 62% improvement against what consensus expected. Performance in the commercial airplane segment drove most of the top-line growth, though operating margin remained negative due to costs linked to lower 777 delivery volumes. But backlog stands strong at $460 billion, and new orders remain healthy. Management signalled plans for gradual rate increases for both 737 and 787 programs, pending demonstration of stable operating metrics. Defence, Space and Security saw a revenue drop down 9% year on year, but still captured $4 billion in new orders and posted margin improvements. The big highlight, a $460 billion company-wide backlog anchored by the new F-47 fighter aircraft contract, further supporting long-term visibility. Full-year guidance remains unchanged. For in-depth competitive analysis and more insights into corporate communication trends, check out the Marvin Labs app.